How to check your PC screen size in Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to find your monitor or laptop display size. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Next, select System. Then click Display. Scroll down and choose Advanced Display. Here, you'll see information about your display, including the monitor model and display resolution. If your screen size isn't shown directly, note down the display model. Now, open your web browser and search for the monitor model followed by the words screen size. The manufacturer's website or product page will usually show the exact screen size in inches. If you're using a laptop, you can also search using your laptop model number to find its display size. Another quick option is to open System Information by searching for it from the Start menu, then look for your display or laptop model and search it online. That's it. You now know how to check your PC or laptop screen size in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.